little bit of nostalgia, no doubt about it, but on the other hand, SIA usually moves from a very good aircraft to an even better one. But we shouldn't forget the good old 747, just as we have not forgotten all the previous aircraft that we've had, I've got very many fond memories of the 747, all the way from the 200s that we bought right up to the 744s.
I feel quite sad, and I'm very grateful to the company for involving us in this last farewell to the aeroplane.
I love this plane since I was young, so I'm quite sad to see it go.
It's a great servant to us, I guess, and then we certainly hope that he can retire in glory, in that sense.
Aeroplane is very, very large.
I remember when I was about 8 years old, I first flew on the 747. It was really fascinating as a kid to actually see something this big. I mean, it's wondering, does this thing really fly?
A very comfortable aircraft, and it's one of the best aircraft we have.
Good things have to go somehow. In its history, the 747 can never be forgotten.